You can say goodbye to future Honda Clarity electric vehicles. Honda has confirmed it will be discontinuing this product. Now, to be clear, the company will continue to sell the Clarity hydrogen fuel cell vehicle and the Clarity plug-in hybrid, but the battery electric version, which made its debut at the 2017 New York Auto Show, just failed to gain traction as Americans continue to gravitate toward larger vehicles. While most major automakers have electric vehicles for sale or in the works, only Tesla has considerable success in that segment. Sales of all versions of the Clarity in the U.S. totaled under 12,000 units in 2019, down 42% from 2018. According to Honda, quote, "We're continuously evolving our product portfolio, and right now we're placing more of our focus on the next generation of electrified products that are coming down the pipeline. We will be introducing new, highly appealing all-electric vehicles for the U.S. market in the years ahead." The Clarity Electric joins the growing list of graveyard products killed by automakers in recent years, including the Chevy Cruze, Ford Focus, and Chrysler 200.
One more thing before you go, I've added links in the description below to some of the best-selling automotive accessories and products on Amazon right now, plus links to some of the product reviews I've done. You can find it in the description below this video. And if you don't mind, take a couple of seconds and click that subscribe button. I'm uploading 2, 3, sometimes 4 new videos every week, and I don't want you to miss anything, plus it helps support my channel. As always, if you have any constructive criticism, thoughts, or suggestions about my video, please leave it in the comment section below.